Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install APK files on iPhone with AMS1GN. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any preferred browser on your mobile device and search for the target APK file. In my case, I will search for Instagram Rocket. After that, open any website and download the APK from there. Once the file is downloaded, close the browser and open the App Store. Inside it, go to the search section and search for Unzip. Now download this app and open it. Inside it, import the APK file we just downloaded and change its name extension to IPA. Once done, close the app and open the browser again. This time, search for AMS1GN and then open its official website. Now, tap on the Order Now button and then select Install Profile. Once this message is displayed, close the browser, open the Settings app, and then install this profile on your mobile device. You may need to verify the installation using your phone password, but once the profile is installed, you will be redirected to a web page. Here you will need to fill out the form and then verify the payment. Once done, you will get the option to install apps. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install APK files on iPhone with AMS1GN. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.